Hi, my name's Ilana Karp. I'm a chef at Plated, and today we're going to learn how to cook onions, garlic, and shallots. I'm going to show you two different ways to cook onions and shallots. We have some minced shallots here that are already cut, and we're going to cook those with some minced garlic. The onions I'm going to slice, and we're going to cook them separately. You're going to slice on a diagonal so that you're not getting rings, but you're getting more slices. So we're going to take the sliced onions and put them in a pan. And we're going to let these brown a little bit. So they don't need to be touched much. They can kind of just cook on their own and check them periodically. The shallots, on the other hand, we're going to sweat them with some garlic. So we're going to add the shallots first to the pan with olive oil. And we don't want the heat to be too high because we don't want them to brown at all. We just want them to release their juices and get really soft and translucent. I'm going to add a tiny bit of salt to both pans. That's going to help the onions and the shallots release their juices and help them cook and soften better. I don't want to add a lot because the flavor is going to intensify as they cook. So I'll just season at the end. This is really just to pull out the moisture. Now that the shallots are looking like they're pretty soft, I'm going to add the garlic. But once I add the garlic, it's going to cook in a couple of seconds, so I'm going to take it off the heat. Garlic cooks really quickly, and you don't want it to burn because burnt garlic has a really bitter taste. These onions look like they're getting really brown. So I'm going to do a trick where I add a little bit of water to the pan, and that's just going to give them some extra time cooking and slow down the process a little so that they can get brown and caramelized without burning. So this is minced shallots with garlic, and these are caramelized onions. Both are great for different things. These would be great with a frittata or clams or as the beginning of a delicious sauce, and caramelized onions are delicious with eggs and over chicken and all different ways. These are two of many ways to cook onions, garlic, and shallots. This is Ilana from Plated. We hope you enjoyed.